Good afternoon and welcome to the TerryTracker channel. Well, it's afternoon here. It may not be afternoon there. So whatever time it is there, happy whatever it is. Anywho, today we are going geocaching. Now this is a drive-by trail between Ashington and Longhurst. Not much walking in this one. Not sure what it's like for parking up Lula the camper van, but we shall see. But the first geocache is over there somewhere. Let's go get it. Come on. So like I said, the first geocache is somewhere in the area on screen, but I can't show you exactly where it is because then some muggles will find it and destroy it. Well guys, would you look at that? Found the first one. But this road is so busy. Anywho, going to sign this one, put it back, and then go look for the second one. But yeah, lots of muggles on this road. Oops, no parking. Ah well. And here we go at the next geocache. It is somewhere on the screen, but again, no parking. But I'm on the public road, so yeah. I haven't found the geocache yet, but I have found a stash of cider that somebody had hidden. I have now found the geocache. Whoop whoop, chicken soup. Come on. Anywho, somebody had actually hid those cider where the geocache was. So the cider was right on top of these. So I'm not sure if that's some swag for me to take away. Well, I spotted this magnetic pretty much straight away, but look at the views. Wow. There seems to be a bit of a theme with this trail, but this one's empty, so I'm leaving it. So, cider at the last one, vodka at this one. What's on the next one? Whiskey? Hey! Well, get a look at the views here as well. Wow. Anywho, let's try and find this geocache. Look at that. I tell you what, mate, I haven't found the geocache, but what I have found, another bottle of vodka. Actually, I had found that geocache, and I think you just saw it on screen. I don't know. Let me know down below. But yes, that bottle of vodka was right next to the geocache. There's a bit of a theme going on. So folks, what alcohol do you think we're going to find at the next one? Well, it looks like I've actually got to do some walking for this one, people. What's going on? Walking? I thought these were all drive-bys. There was nowhere to park for this one, to be fair, so just a short walk and hopefully we'll have the geocache in hand. Yeah, walking. Okay. Admittedly, I could have parked somewhere down here. Never mind. It's not like I don't need the exercise, eh? And just like that, found it. Time to walk back to Lula the camper van. Time for a little shameless plug. 97% of you who are watching this video right now are not subscribed. So please hit that like, hit that subscribe, and do all that good stuff. I mean, come on, 97% of you. That's, you may as well say all of you. All of you don't subscribe. So yeah, hit subscribe. Do it now. Well, unfortunately, folks, that is our first did not find. Whoa. And that was a train. But yeah, that was our first DNF. Dang. On the next. Look at this, the village getting all patriotic for VE Day because last week was VE week, and if you have a look at the bus stop, that's done as well. Oh dear, when I was filming that piece I didn't see the woman that was hiding in the bus stop, and it seems to be that she was taking drugs, ladies and gentlemen, so that's why I've blurred out her face. Oh dear, don't do drugs. Now, unfortunately, she was also standing where the geocache was, and I'm not prepared to go on that little small bus stop where she was taking drugs. No thank you. So I'm going to skip that one and come back to that one another day. Or maybe later on today. We shall see. Come on! Well, that's more like it. Found this one straight away. Well, folks, that's just about going to do it for tonight. I found a few nice geocaches, found some alcohol, found some more alcohol, and found some more alcohol. Unfortunately, unfortunately, the last 3 geocaches didn't have any alcohol in them. Wah, wah, wah. Anywho, I'm not going to drink it. I'm not going to drink it. Maybe. Anywho, don't drink it. That's a joke. That's a joke, people, before you get into the comments. Anywho, shall see you all in the next one. Now it's time to do your job. You 97% of people who haven't subscribed, hit subscribe! Bonus geocache because the baghead has gone. Whoop whoop chicken soup. Come on.